Hello and welcome to this step-by-step educational video on how to generate images with Midjourney and sell them on Adobe Stock. In this video, we'll guide you through each step, from creating an account on Midjourney to uploading and selling your generated images on Adobe Stock. Let's dive in. Let me introduce what is Midjourney and Adobe Stock. Midjourney is a powerful online platform designed to help users create and generate high-quality images using advanced algorithms and creative templates. With a user-friendly interface and a wide variety of tools, Midjourney enables users to create custom images for various purposes such as marketing, social media, and digital content creation. By offering an extensive library of templates and design elements, Midjourney makes it easy for users to generate visually stunning images, even with limited design experience. Whether you're a professional designer or a beginner, Midjourney is the perfect solution for all your image generation needs. There is a lot of possible usage for generated images, and one of it is possibility to sell them. One of possible places where you can sell images is Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is a leading online marketplace that offers a vast collection of high-quality, royalty-free images, videos, graphics, templates, and 3D assets. It is designed to cater to the needs of creative professionals, businesses, and individuals who are looking for unique and diverse visual content to enhance their projects. With an extensive library of millions of assets created by talented artists and photographers from around the world, Adobe Stock provides users with a wide variety of choices for any creative project. In addition to purchasing assets, users can also become contributors by uploading and selling their own creations, providing a platform for artists to monetize their work. Seamlessly integrated with Adobe Creative Cloud applications, Adobe Stock simplifies the process of finding, licensing, and using visual assets, making it a go-to resource for designers, marketers, and content creators. Midjourney uses Discord as interface for generating images, so first we need to register for Discord. Do not worry, it is free. As a first step, go to discord.com and click on Login button in top right corner. When you get to Login page, under Login form there is small button Register, which gets you to register form. Fill out required information as email address, username, password, and date of birth. Of course you have to accept also terms and conditions. After you filled all information, you can proceed by clicking on button Continue. That's it. You successfully created your Discord account. Last thing what you need to do is to log into your email box and confirm your email address. Now when we have already Discord, we can join Midjourney channel. I recommend you to download and use directly Discord desktop application to avoid any troubles. Open Discord application and on left side find button Add Server. After clicking on that button in bottom part of Windows, you will see button Join a Server. This should get you to join server form. On top of window you should enter Midjourney invitation link, which can be found in Midjourney documentation and also in description under this video. Paste this invitation link into form and submit by clicking on Join Server. Inside Discord application on left upper side now you can find Midjourney channel, which you will enter by clicking on it. In the Midjourney channel menu find any newcomer room and enter it by clicking on it. Now you can play with Midjourney image generation for free, but images generated like this fall under non-commercial Creative Commons license, which prohibits you to sell those images. Same goes for images generated by other people in public channels. Let's try to generate some images. You can do that by typing into chat input in bottom part. Start by typing command/imagine following by space and description of your required image. Now we have to wait until image will generate. Midjourney bot will generate 4 images based on your prompt. Under generated images you will find multiple buttons. Pick your favorite image, click on button you 1, 2, 3 or 4 to upscale image you like. That's it. You successfully generated your first Midjourney image. Now take your time and explore possible options. As it was already mentioned, free trial license will not allow to sell generated images, which means we will have to subscribe for one of available subscription plans. We can do that by typing command/subscribe inside one of newcomer channels. In return you will receive personalized link to subscribe. Continue by clicking on Open Subscription Page button. Discord will throw notification that you are going outside of Discord app. Continue by clicking on button Yep. When you get to subscription page you can choose between yearly billing and monthly billing options. Choose whatever plan suits you best and proceed with activation and payment. After you finish your payment it can take few minutes to activate your plan, so be patient. After you subscribe for Midjourney plan, you can return to your Discord app and find Midjourney bot in your list of direct messages in left top corner. By clicking on Midjourney bot, you can start with creating your images. After you created and upscaled your image, you can download it by clicking on Image and Open in Browser button under Image. Now you can download image with right click and save image as. To start selling on Adobe Stock, we need to register as contributor first. You can do that by navigating to contributor.stock.adobe.com and clicking on button Join Now. There is multiple options how to register. Most popular options are Google account or direct registration. I will continue with direct registration, so I will fill my email address and desired password. After clicking on button Continue, you will be required to fill in your first and last name and date of birth. Finish registration by clicking on button Done. You will receive a confirmation email, so before we can continue you have to log into your email box and confirm your email address. Before we can upload our first image to Adobe Stock, we will have to upscale it even more, as resolution generated by Midjourney is not enough for Adobe Stock. There is plenty upscalers on the internet, you can search and try more of them. I really got used to one by Pixelbin, which is pretty good. Navigate to website upscale.media, where you will find Upload Image button. After clicking on Upload Image, file selector windows will appear. Please select your image generated by Midjourney. Wait until image will be processed and displayed. This should not take more than few seconds. Now when processed image is displayed, we are interested on AI upscaled image on right side. Under image we can find download button. Remember where you will save this upscaled image, as we will upload it to Adobe Stock soon. Finally, when we have everything prepared, go to contributor.stock.adobe.com and log in with previously created user account. On the right side top menu, find button Upload to get onto upload page. Now, either drag and drop upscaled image to middle blue circle or click on Browse button middle of page and select upscaled image from previous steps. Wait a second until image gets uploaded and displayed. Now when we have image uploaded and we will click on it, on right side of screen image form will appear. In this form we will need to fill up couple of things. Let's start with file type. For AI generated images we have to select illustrations file type. Select category of image and language of title and description. As per Adobe Stock terms and conditions, we have to mark this image as created using generative AI tools. Next in row is question: if image contains recognizable people or property, please select appropriate answer and fill up some attractive title for this image. Again, here we have to add generative AI keyword to title as per terms and conditions. AI generated images without this keyword in title will not be approved. Last step in this form is to write some keywords which would describe our image. We can write own keywords, but in most cases Adobe will give us lot of suggestions. Pick some or all suggested keywords or write own. And here we are again, as this is AI generated image, we have to add this information also to keywords. Adobe requires us to add 3 mandatory keywords: generative I, generative and I. After we have filled all necessary information, we should see green dot on image which tell us that everything is fine. Now you can proceed by clicking on Submit Files button in top right corner. Confirmation pop-up window will appear with list of all images ready for submission. Click Submit. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of generating images with Midjourney and learned how to monetize your creativity by selling them on Adobe Stock. The journey you've embarked on is one of endless possibilities and continuous learning. Midjourney's powerful toolset has unlocked a new avenue for your creativity, and Adobe Stock has provided a platform to transform this creativity into a sustainable income. Remember, these platforms are just the beginning of your digital art journey. There are countless features, techniques, and updates yet to be explored. So continue to dig deeper, hone your craft, and expand your understanding. The key to success in this endeavor is consistency and creativity. Keep growing your portfolio with diverse, high-quality images that appeal to a broad audience. Pay attention to the trends, but don't be afraid to innovate and create your own style. Your unique perspective is what will set your work apart in a competitive marketplace. The earnings you generate from your sales can be a rewarding outcome, but remember, the true value lies in the skills you're developing and the creative expression you're achieving. So, keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope that it has been helpful and inspiring, giving you the confidence and knowledge to take your first steps into the world of digital art and online sales. Happy selling, and here's to your success in the exciting world of digital art. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more IT monetization ideas. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.